What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am going to show you a few really easy, cute hairstyles that you can do over the holiday season that's going to look cute with your curls. These are going to be super easy, so even if you're a beginner, you can do this. You can do this. No long intro today. We're jumping right into this video. Before I get into the first hairstyle, I do want to mention really quickly the Formulate products that I mentioned in last week's video. I'm telling you, these are working amazing for my hair. I'm realizing that a lot of even cleanser and conditioners can definitely weigh down my hair, and I love the formula that they created for me to specifically get as much volume. I just feel like my hair has definitely been getting a lot more volume since I started using these. I definitely wanted to re-mention them again in today's video because they are awesome, and I am doing a giveaway with them. So if you haven't entered the giveaway, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box today. Go ahead, it ends tonight, so you want to enter as soon as possible, okay? So I just wanted to mention that very quick. So the very first style that I wanna do is something really simple. It's just basically pulling back half of your hair to get it out of your face, but what makes it look a little fancy is by keeping a few little face framing pieces. It's something about keeping a few little pieces right around the face that it makes it look a little fancier. So basically, I'm just going to take a little piece right in the front. You can take as much as you want, and I'm just gonna twist it just a little bit, and then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and just literally pin that right in place. And on this side, we're gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna take out some little face framing pieces, and then just take a tiny little piece. You don't need a big chunk, just a little piece to kind of hold back some of that hair. And I'm just twisting that piece. And the good thing is, you know, your curls hide a lot of stuff, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And again, just pinning that in place. Just by pulling a few little pieces off of the face, it just all of a sudden gives you more of a fancier kind of look, you know what I mean? It's just a super easy style, and if you have a couple bobby pins, you can do it. For the next style, we're gonna kind of do the same thing. We're gonna pull out the front pieces. We're going to split the hair in half in the back, okay? One little ponytail. Put that in an elastic. One ponytail on this side, just like that. Once you have your hair in an elastic, you can kind of pull it out to make it a little more voluminous around the top. Then what we're going to do is we are going to twist, and as we twist, we're just kind of like slowly kind of pulling it out just a little bit, twisting it around itself, and by pulling it out, it kind of gives it a little more volume. We're going to take our bobby pins and pin that in place. And now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to twist and slowly pull it out. Just kind of twist it around itself. Pin it in place. And then once you have the buns, you can leave it like this, or you can push the buns together and then bobby pin it together. And it's always fun to add in little jewels, especially if you're doing this for like a holiday look. Super cute. Of course, one of the absolute easiest styles to do is just a low pony. And again, pulling out a few little pieces, leaving everything a little bit loose, definitely adds that extra like elegant flair to it. I like to take a little piece from right underneath of my ponytail, just like this, and wrap that around the elastic. And it hides the elastic, and it just makes it look a little more elegant. And you just pin that right in place. And if you choose to do this just simple low pony, I always like to add just a little festive headband that's got a little bling in it. Something like this will always dress up a hairstyle very, very quickly. You could just put that in there. And we are ready for our Thanksgiving or Christmas party. Hello, super easy, super cute. Last but not least, we have to do one with our hair all up. So I'm gonna put everything loosely into a ponytail, just like this. For this style, obviously you can have little hairs out, framing your face if you want, or if you want that super like elegant slick back look, you can do it like this. And then this is basically how I do my messy bun, y'all. This is literally no different. And I just kind of pile it. I take my little Invisibobble and pop this right over it. And this is literally how I do my messy bun. But what you can do to dress this up and make it a little more fancy and elegant is to add little accessories, y'all. A little accessory really goes a long way. And you call it a day. Like, that took me 2 seconds. And there you go. You are ready for your holiday party. So that was 4 super easy, quick styles. I would love to do maybe like a hairstyling series on my channel, just quick videos on how to do different hairstyles, because I love styling hair, especially curly hair. So you guys let me know if that's something that you want. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.